back to my channel. So we have my daughter here. Say hi, Marty.
Hi.
Okay. And we wrote down everybody's name that commented on the video for the giveaway. And she is just cutting off the names. We're going to fold them up. And we are going to, well, I'm going to let her pick the giveaway winner.
Whoop whoop.
Whoop whoop. Okay, so now fold it and like...
I have to fold it?
Yeah, like this. Oops.
What?
Well, I'm trying to hold the recording. So
You're crazy.
fold them like this. Fold them twice, about the same size. Come on now, hurry up.
I'm having fortune cookies here.
This. Oh, where you have it? Okay. So we're going to mix this. Close your eyes. Eyes are closed. And pick one. Hold on, hold on, hold on. This one that's kind of falling to the side. Okay. Okay, pick one. And the winner is
Chrissy T.
Chrissy T. Say it again.
Chrissy T.
Okay, Cassie, so if you comment down below as soon as possible, not comment, but email me your address and I will get this out to you by, great, get this out to you tomorrow. Today is Monday, so it's Memorial Day, and then I hope you enjoy your prize. Thank you guys for spending a moment of your life with me. Until next time, bye.